Alright guys, this is part 2 of the Jeep Compass. Will it run again? And not looking too good. Now yesterday I released the one, what possibilities, what it might have been. And once I got it here, it was a chain tensioner that failed on this. And when it failed, the front cam, which is the intake side, had jump time and basically bent the valves in it. So like I said yesterday, he had a dollar amount he wanted to put on this, and this is definitely going to exceed that dollar amount. So that being said, I was able to find this out without using a borescope, a laptop, this old school way of doing things. I have a certain way I do things, and like I've said in previous videos, you might not agree with it, but at the end of the day, it works for me. But yeah, they're bent. So I'm going to try to show y'all a typical spot here. So you can see here, look at that gap. And it's like that. It's like that all the way around as far as the front goes. Now if you look over here, so everything's still good. Like I said, he had a set dollar amount on what he wanted to put into this thing. And this is definitely going to exceed the amount. I mean, yeah, you can go find a junkyard motor with low miles on it and try that route. Or me pulling the head off, putting new valves in. But at the end of the day, it's going to be more than what he wants to put into this. But I had a lot of good comments yesterday. I appreciate it. And I had a few guys on there, and I'm gonna be straight with y'all guys. I do read the comments. I like to see y'all's opinion on things, because like I said, I don't know everything. The way I do things might not be the way you do it. You might have the fancy machines, the laptops, the borescopes, this, that, and the other, etc. And as I always said from the beginning, this channel is set on the home guy, the guy that does his own stuff here in the garage, doesn't have a whole lot of money, and you got to use this up here, not this. Like I said, you can agree with me, disagree with me. The way you might do things is different for me. That's cool, no problem with it. Or if you sit there and give a suggestion, you know, I'm open to them. We learn every day. But other than that, like I said, she's down, she's dead. Rest in peace. And get this thing out of here and get on to the next one. But like I said, man, do your best, do your research. You know, do to the best of your abilities. If you don't know something, ask somebody. Even I ask every once in a while on some things, because like I said, I don't know everything. But I appreciate y'all hanging with my channel. I appreciate y'all letting me do what I want to do. Other than that, I'll see you down the road.